In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Booking.com documents such as confirmations and invoices for 2025. This is a handy skill to have for when you're organizing your travel records or managing expenses. So let's dive right into it. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Booking.com. You can do this either by typing the URL directly into the address bar or by searching for Booking.com on your search engine of choice. Once you're on the home page, look for the profile section, which you'll typically find in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on your profile. This helps personalize your navigation experience and ensures you have access to all your bookings and trips. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. This step is crucial as it grants you access to your booking history and documents. After you've clicked on your profile, navigate to where it says Bookings and Trips. This section is your gateway to all the reservations you've made. Once you click on this, you'll see a list of all your past and upcoming trips. For today's instruction, we are using the example destination of Vientiane. Find your trip to Vientiane in the list, which will include various details about your reservation. Now click on Vientiane. You'll be brought to a page that provides more specific information about your booking. Here, you're going to look for a small icon or symbol, often represented by 3 dots, indicating more options. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu or additional options related to your booking. From these options, you'll want to select View Booking. Clicking this will take you to the main page for your booking, where crucial information regarding the reservation is displayed, including the invoice and confirmation documents you need. Finally, on the booking page, you're provided with the 2 options to manage your documents: save on phone or print confirmation. If you're looking for a digital copy that you can access anywhere, saving it on your phone could be the best choice. Alternatively, if you prefer a physical copy, printing the confirmation is the way to go. Selecting either option will initiate the download or start the print process, securing your documents for future reference or immediate use. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Booking.com to find and save or print your trip confirmations and invoices. Whether you're planning ahead or keeping records for past journeys, these skills are valuable for any traveler. Thank you for watching and happy travels.